Who should you trust with your taxes? Have you ever gone to two different tax people and got two completely different results? One says you owe money. The other says you are getting a refund. So now you are confused. Which one is right? And more importantly, who can you trust? Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will understand why this happens, who you should actually work with, and how to stop losing money on your taxes. If you are new here, my name is Noura Al-Masri. I am a tax accountant and the founder of Noura's Books. I help business owners and individuals stop overpaying in taxes legally. And today, I want to talk about something most people do not realize. The tax industry is not fully regulated the way you think it is. And what does that mean in simple terms? It means not everyone who prepare taxes has the same level of knowledge. Not everyone looks for opportunities to save you money. And not everyone treats your case the same way. So when you go to different tax professionals, you can get completely different answers. Let me explain something very simple. If someone wants to get paid to prepare taxes, they need something called BTIN. BTIN simply means Preparer Tax Identification Number. This is just a number from the IRS that allows someone to prepare tax returns for pay. Then there is something called an EFIN, Electronic Filing Identification Number. This allows them to actually file your tax return electronically with the IRS. Now, here's the important part. Getting a BTIN and EFIN does not mean someone is an expert. It just means that you are allowed to prepare taxes. So why do you get different results? Because a lot of tax preparers are focused on speed, volume, moving to the next client. To them, you are just another file. But taxes are not one size fits all. Every single client is different. Every situation is different. And since I started doing taxes, I realized something very important. The real value is not just filing your taxes. The real value is studying your situation, looking for opportunities, asking questions, understanding your income, your business, and then creating ways to legally reduce your taxes. Let's simplify this so anyone can understand. Tax preparer, this is someone who prepares and files your taxes. They may or may not have deep tax knowledge. Some are great, some are not. EAs or enrolled agents. An EA is tested and designated by the IRS as a tax expert. They specialize in taxation. They study business tax law, individual tax law, and representation. They can represent you before the IRS. The third one is CPAs, Certified Public Accountants. A CPA is licensed by the state. They usually focus on accounting, financial statements, and audits. Some CPAs are excellent in taxes, but not everyone. But not all of them specialize in tax strategy. Tax advisors or tax strategists. This is where things change. This person focuses on planning, not just filing. They look ahead, not just backward. They help you pay the least amount of taxes legally. And I want to be very clear here. Just because someone is a CPA does not mean they are the best for your taxes. And just because someone is a tax preparer without any designation doesn't mean they are not good. What matters is knowledge, experience, attention to details, and how much they actually care about you. Now, let me say something that might be uncomfortable. Stop choosing your tax professional based on price. Because what usually happens, you try to save a few $100s, but you end up overpaying thousands in taxes and you don't even realize it. I saved my clients over $1 million in taxes in the last 5 years. At the end of the day, taxes are not just about filing our forms. They are about strategy, planning, understanding the law, and using it into your advantage. So the next time you hear different results, don't just ask who is cheaper, ask who is actually thinking about my situation, who is looking for opportunities, who truly cares about helping me save. If you want someone who actually studies your case and helps you stop overpaying in taxes, book a free consultation with me today. I help clients nationwide. It doesn't matter where you are. And if this video helped you understand taxes better, make sure you subscribe. See you next Monday.